This tutorial, I just want to show you a couple ways to sidechain compress, depending on like what track you're making, what sort of style you're going for, and all that stuff. So yeah, first up, just got this kick, and then I've got the same kick on a sidechain channel. I've kept it fairly low volume wise, just for the purpose of this, so that it doesn't really distort when it's being triggered. So yeah, the first one I want to go through is just normal compression, sidechain compression with the Ableton stock compressor. So yeah, on the scope you can kind of see it's giving that ducking to it, classic sidechain ducking basically. And this is sick, and just like the classic method, really good for just like general pumping, that pumping kind of sound. But in terms of loudness, sometimes you can get louder using this other method. I'll be using duck for that. So this just basically just uses volume dipping to let the kick come through and kind of give space for the kick and sub. And yeah, here you can sort of really move it here and give it like a pumping sound, or tighten it up, maybe have it like here and just letting the transient come through. And this is sick for getting loudness, and generally works for like a lot of big like dance floor-y tunes, but it can fuck with the the vibe of a tune, the groove or whatever. So yeah, using the normal sidechain compression usually helps with that. Sometimes this can sound a bit too like jaggedy, but yeah, playing with this kind of can help to stop that. But yeah, if you use, so onto the third one, using MB, this can help the problems of the last one, where this kind of lets more bass through but still gives that heavy sidechain feeling. Yeah, so here I've just sidechained it here, and then just kind of put this crossover around here, and you can kind of play with the attack and release. But yeah, you can see here it's heavily sidechaining but still lets a lot of bass through. So this is kind of like a happy medium between both of them basically. And if you want to go a step further, you could run it through like a clip shifter or something. To really get them to like gel together. But yeah, to taste with that. But yeah, hopefully that gives you some inspiration when it comes to sidechaining. But yeah, big up.